In this video, I'll show you how to automatically generate a barcode in Google Drive and link it directly to Google Sheets. I will use previously generated form for this example. In the action type, find the Generate Barcode. Copy the key ID of the Google Drive folder where you want to store the generated barcode. Select Enable this action. Paste Copy Key ID and select the field type that the barcode will be generated. Use your unique field type, can be the ID. Next, save the form and refresh the page. Check if the action type has been updated. Then go to Generate Code and copy the script. Next, paste the script in the Google Sheets app script and save it. Deploy the web apps, copy the updated form URL, and open it in the browser. Fill out the form and save it. The new recorded row will appear in the Google Sheets, and also will appear the URL that linked to the automatically generated barcode in the new column.